Okay guys, just a quick little video, doing some general maintenance and checking on my vehicle, 97 hardbody station wagon. Checking the seal on the Snorkel for obviously water reasons, and being a diesel I like to have a way of being able to smother the engine if it does have runaway. Yesterday I found that my rear seal on the airbox was leaking, so a little fix and just making sure that it's now working. Not sealing well enough. Try that again. I've got no leaks here. I'm not able to seal it well enough with my finger. There we go. But at least being able to smother it this far, I can pop it into gear, get somebody to pop it into gear and kill it. Okay, Snorkel seal is good. Check yours. May save your engine from water or from a runaway.